In this video I will mention 10 common problems that 2021 to 2023 Ford F-150 pickup trucks are prone to experience. Number 1. Some 2021 and 2022 models have been recalled in the US because the windshield wiper motor is prone to experience premature failure. When this part malfunctions, it causes the windshield wipers to stop working. The repair consisted in replacing the failure-prone wiper motor in the affected vehicles with a new and improved part. Number 2. Some 2021 and 2022 models have been recalled in the US because the underbody insulators in the affected vehicles may loosen and make contact with the aluminum driveshaft. These loose parts tend to rub against the driveshaft. Over time, the aluminum driveshaft may fracture. The repair consisted in fastening the underbody insulators properly, replace any of them if they are damaged, inspecting the driveshaft for damage, and replace it with a new part if needed. Number 3. Some 2021 models have been recalled in the US because in some of the affected vehicles, an internal component of the steering gear may have been damaged during assembly. This damage to the steering gear may result in increased steering efforts and the potential to not be able to turn the steering wheel while driving, increasing the risk of a crash. The repair consisted in replacing the suspect steering gear assembly in the affected vehicles with a new part and performing a wheel alignment. Number 4. Some 2021 models have been recalled in the US because the woodruff keys that lock the windshield wiper arms in the affected vehicles are prone to fall off. This issue causes the wiper arms to become inoperable, which can result in reduced visibility in certain driving conditions. The repair consisted in replacing the wiper arms that have the missing woodruff keys in the affected vehicles with new parts and gluing the woodruff key to the new wiper arm to keep it from detaching. Number 5. Some 2021 models equipped with two-piece driveshaft have been recalled in the US because the circlip used to secure the connection between the two driveshaft halves may not have been properly installed. This issue can potentially affect the connection of the two halves. The repair consisted in replacing the suspect driveshaft in the affected vehicles with a new part that was manufactured according to the required quality specifications. Number 6. The bolts that fasten the floating rear axles to the hub in some of the vehicles equipped with max tow package are prone to break off. When these bolts break off, they make rattling noises as they bounce inside the wheel center cap when the vehicle is moving. Ford has not provided a permanent solution for this problem yet, which makes this issue a recurring problem. Number 7. The headlight switch in some 2021 and 2022 models is prone to malfunction and causes the headlamps to turn on by themselves when the vehicle is off. The body control module usually stores the code, B1533, when this problem develops. Number 8. The evaporator temperature sensor is prone to malfunction in some of these vehicles. When this part malfunctions, it causes the air coming out of the vents when the AC system is on, not to be as cold as it should be. And the engine cooling fans tend to run constantly due to high AC system pressure. In some cases, the malfunctioning sensor causes the evaporator and AC lines to freeze. Ford dealerships in the US sell the AC evaporator and evaporator temperature sensor as a kit. Number 9. The front wheel bearings in some of these trucks fitted with larger wheels and tires are prone to become noisy before 100,000 miles and they need to be replaced. Number 10. The rear differential and some of the suspension components are prone to rust, especially in vehicles driven in snowy climates. Those are 10 common problems that 14th generation Ford F-150 pickup trucks are prone to experience.